In this tutorial, we're going to be going over the if statement in PHP. Now, this is going to be our output, but if our password isn't correct, this will be our output. We'll also have another program going on, but let's get to the code. So first things first, we need to open some correct PHP tags. And we're just going to go ahead and declare a variable called password. And let's make it equal to our name. That's going to be our password. So the syntax for an if statement goes if something, then do this. Okay? So we're going to say if password equals Tristan, then I want you to do this. And in this case, it's going to be echo out password correct. So if we go ahead and view this, it says our password's correct because this variable equals this, exactly the same. But what if our password is a bunch of weird stuff? It outputs nothing. The reason is because if the password equals this, which it doesn't, then do this. But since it doesn't equal this, it's not going to do anything. This is where this comes in. We type else something, and then we're going to echo not correct. Save this. Since our password is not correct, it's going to say not correct. So what this is saying is if the password equals this, which it doesn't again, then echo this. Else, saying if that doesn't work, then do this. So else echo not correct. So if that doesn't work, echo not correct. Now there's another thing. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. And let's declare another variable called name. Once again, we're going to put it to our name. And let's go ahead and create an if statement. And we're going to say if name equals, and we're going to say just a name here. Let's just go ahead and make it the same for now. So if this variable equals this, then echo hey Tristan, okay? Else if something, do this. We can have as many else ifs if we want. So it's basically just another if statement. So we're gonna say else if name equals I keep doing that, Frank, then echo hello Frank. Then if none of those work, let's go ahead and echo who are you. So right now our variable is equal to Tristan, so it's gonna echo hello Tristan or hey Tristan. Now if we were to change this variable to Frank and view it, it's gonna say hello Frank. Now if we were to change this to Bob, and since none of them equal Bob, it's gonna say none of these equal, then do this. So it's gonna echo out who are you. Alright, that was our tutorial on the if statement. Now last tutorial I forgot a coding challenge. So this coding challenge, I want you to make an if statement with an else if and an else about usernames. Could be anything. Be creative.